What you have here is a Harbor Freight paint mixer, and not a big deal, but what I wanted to show you is how this thing operates in this in the way that I've installed it here on the bench. Around about 10-15 psi. But what it used to do is it used to make the bench actually walk away from the wall. But I was able to put these used conveyor belts. I cut them down and I circled them around. This has been here for a while, but people had asked me how I did that. And on these particular items, you have to actually put grease down in that hole. There's a little zerk down in there, and then I've got a deal here that puts a little bit of oil down inside the air line, and you can shake little cans like that. You can shake big cans. 15 minutes in this thing and it'll shake just about anything. But as you can see, it really doesn't move. You can put something on the top there and it doesn't hardly move at all. I think even a water bottle doesn't really do much to the water bottle. It just sits there. I thought I'd show you that in case you ever bought a paint shaker and were kind of wondering how to do it, how to mount it. Just little 3/8 or 1/4 inch thick pieces of rubber bolted through here and then bolted down to the bench down at the bottom. You can see the bolt down in there. And that's all the shock treatment I put on there, and it works pretty good.